Yes, bafethu sidliwe against i-Cape Town City. It's a brand new day. Sesidlulile manje. Yabo sesidlulile, kumele sifocus phambili. Kumele sifocus phambili. Next game soyidlala against i-CR Bezdad. It's an important game for Orlando Pirates because Messi win le game le so qualify for ama-knockout stages. Ama-knockout stages e-Champions League. Yabo kumele sifocus phambili, si remain humble. After this game, yabo le game ade siyidlala izolo. I feel like le game ade siyidlala izolo, it's a blessing in disguise bafethu. I feel like it's a blessing in disguise. Isenda i-message kubaphathi kuyikhulu zolwando Pirates. Isenda i-message khona because ukube sinabo abadlali abangasuka ebhenchini bayishintsha igame, mhlambe besowenza kangcono. Yabo, mhlambe besowenza kangcono. But ke it's a blessing in disguise bafethu ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi sifike sidlale and awuthi sidlale kambi. Sidlalile but inkinga sidliwe. Yabo, inkinga sidliwe iyona into esikhalisa kakhulu ukuthi sidliwe but ke akusenani. Yabo, akusenani. Transfer window izovalwa in 3 weeks time. Izovalwa in 3 weeks time is a transfer window and currently abadlali esibhekane nabo currently esifuna ukubathenga Oswina Police, Thabo Matuludi, nizwile indaba zabo, ngenzeka bangezi ku-Orlando Pirates kuleli windi leli sikulona currently. But baningi abadlali oLungelo Nguse. I'm sure senezwa ngoLungelo Nguse. Lungelo Nguse currently udlalela iGolden Arrows, uyi-striker, center forward. Yabo, uyi-center forward eGolden Arrows. Center forward eGolden Arrows. I-current market value yakhe u-300k. 300k. If I can search, you see 300k umalini. 300k USD in rands. Umalini le. Lamshitu 5 million. Golden Arrows dayisa umdlalo 5 million. Kufanele s10. Yeah. Oh, pounds lo yebo. Pounds lo, not USD. This is pounds. Mhlawumbe uzokubiza ke in pound. 6.9 million uLungelo Nguse. Striker sina 25 years old. Yabo. Amathima seka wadlalela nje banwabona nje la. Sekwayidlalela iPretoria, iUniversity of Pretoria. Sekwayidlalela iBaroka FC, sekwayidlalela iTS Sporting. Nje Bizana Phondo sekwayidlalela futhi nayo. Yabo, umjita mase sibheke la negoli elilodwa in 6 appearances. Why silinked nomjito kanje? Inkinga phela mhlamba ngakaze ngimbone edlala. Yabo, mhlamba mase ngimbone edlala, mhlambe ngasho kunye. Yabo, WaKwaZulu Natal umjita shothi uyadlala apparently. Singesazi ama minutes asawatholile so far, usathole 32 minutes percentage. 10% goal participation. Umjita ngathi uyi-striker nje. Striker esingasizani mhlawumbe singesazi. But ke yeah, omunye umdlali uthi usiphelele lithulu. Usiphelele lithulu kuthiwa bejima ne-Orlando Pirates currently. Bejima ne-Orlando Pirates. He is a former Chippa United player. Bedlalela iChippa United before azasuke kwiChippa. Nje bezojima ne-Orlando Pirates. Yabo. Wadlalela iChippa, wadlalela iRoyal AM. Wadlalela iBloemfontein League, Highlands Park sekwayidlalela futhi, University of Pretoria sekwayidlalela. Yabo, so he has been training with Orlando Pirates. Udlala iswing, uyi-midfield. Singesazi kumjita una 29 years old. I don't think kumele simsayine umjita una 29. Kumele sicabangele ifuture bafethu. Yabo, kumele sicabangele ifuture. Abadlali abanjengo Jaden Adams okuthiwa balinked ne-Orlando Pirates esingesazi ukuthi singakwazi nokubathenga kuleli windi la manje noma iwindi masiphelile isizini, because isizini izophela and mele iphele isizini sesinabadlali abathe ukuba ne-experience kancane, because Jaden Adams wadlala ku-AFCON uyakwazi ukudlala. Angasiza lapha eswini. Khona umjito ongibhalelile kuma-comments nje washo ukuthi Jaden Adams angasiza lapha eswini sikwazi ukudlala kwi-CAF Champions League. Yabo, umjito njengaye singamdinga impela. Omunye umdlali ulinked ne-Orlando Pirates engisengakhuluma ngayo Jaden Rhodes. Yabo, Jaden Rhodes is another player. Udlalile against Orlando Pirates izolo. Wadlala kamnandi. I was disappointed ukubona uJaden Rhodes eshiya uMarco bafethu. Angazi noma niyibonile lonto leyo. uJaden Rhodes iphasa nayo ushiye uMarco bafethu. uMarco bafethu kumele ngabe ufast. uMarco bafethu as a left back kumele ube nepace. as a wing back nje actually kumele ube nayo ipace because sidila nabadlali abafast lapha ama-winger fast wena as a wing back akumele ube slow. Yabo uHotho siyamazi unayo ipace, Monyane siyamazi unayo ipace, ube no Van Rooyen siyabazi bayakwazi ukugijima. Mfethu Marco mfethu Melanyo akhuphula amasokisi mfethu I was disappointed izolo but ke akusenani yabo akusenani sidliwe sesidlulile lapho. Njengoba ikhona i-transfer window nje bafethu kumele senze sure ukuthi siyayisebenzisa le transfer window le. Siyisebenzisa ngempela baningi abadlali kumele abe sebathenga because esiswini siyashorta naphambili ku-striking department siyashorta yabo. Striking department siyashorta nala ku-right back. I think kuzolo kulimala uMonyane is another player simthembe kakhulu bafethu. Ukulimala kwaMonyane kuzosilimaza kakhulu because nimbonile bemkhipha nge-stretch. Think nayo uVan Rooyen if I'm not mistaken uthintekile singesazi ngayo uVan Rooyen. Yabo uVan Rooyen yisosho yashesha ukurecover. Bakhona oDolly Bitso bazobuya soon, oShandu ngizule kuthiwa uShandu siyakwazi ukujima yabo uzobuya soon. Another player usinoxolo kwayibo ubelinkweni Orlando Pirates but ingeke ngazi ukuthi isazowenzeka yini deal yakhe usinoxolo kwayiba njani imbona la umdlali lo udlala eChippa United currently. He's one of the best players abadlala eChippa United abadlala right now. Udlala kamnandi umjida usuka kwePretoria Kellies yabo usuka kwePretoria Kellies. I don't know ukuthi ideal yakhe isazokwazi yini ukuthi ibe khona. Angimbona ngedlala kamnandi ngosikhathi bedlala against iKaizer Chiefs squad. Akadlalanga kamnandi ngosikhathi bedlala neKaizer Chiefs but ke asikho lapho umfana ubelinkweni Orlando Pirates but currently I don't think the deal will go through because umfana kuthiwa usayine ideal entsha uzosayina actually ideal entsha neChippa United yabo izomenza ahlale for more 2 years with team uyi-2000 futhi njengoba uyi-2000 nje very technically good udlala as i-central attacking midfielder udlala indawo yaTito Maswangaye yabo which is another position esidinga abadlali khona yabo but that's the story of another day yabo. So angazi kunini abafethu njoba nje sifocus forward right now sifocus forward ku-Champions League sibhekisa amabombo ku-Champions League nama games asisalele kwi-league because maningi ama games kumele siwadlale kwi-league. Sinama fixtures awu2 anzima with Premiership which is Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns ngenyanga ezayo. So kumele senze show ukuthi bafethu sikhona sifit yabo. Lento yeOrlando Pirates engafuni ukudlalisa abadlali izosilimaza kakhulu. Lento yokulawa management nama players kuzolimaza iclub lapho yabo. Abadlali abanjengoSaling kumele babuye, abadlali abanjengoLepasa kumele babuye because those were the players abebenza sure ukuthi Orlando Pirates iyayikhipha le record enayo right now yabo. Bangadlali babekene ebenchini just in case abadlali laba abadlalayo in the starting 11 bebed sikwazi ukuthatha bona abangene egroundini yabo bafike bazama ukushintsha igame. If you have umdlalo njengoSaling ebenchini unomdlali lapho. If you have umdlalo njengoTeam ebenchini unomdlali lapho. If you have umdlalo njengoZakhelele Pasi ebenchini unomdlali lapho. If you have umdlalo njengoGilberto, if you have umdlalo njengoKim Wheat ebenchini, if you have umdlalo njengoba nje mfethu I don't know mhlawumbe uyimo ongaboni kahle bafethu mhlawumbe yimo ongaboni kahle yabo but ke akusenani bafethu. Champions League CR Bezuldad imele senze show mesifika kuleya game leya. So CR Bezuldad adidlala izolo iwinile. Adidlala iCR Bezuldad izolo iwinile. Currently CR Bezuldad number 7 kwi-league yakhona Australian League 1 bawu number 7 yabo. Ade bedlala izolo nini badlala izolo noma kuthanga yeah but ade bedlala nje bawina 1-0 yabo. So akusiyona team mhlambe esingayixaka kakhulu iCR Bezuldad bakusiyona team esingayixaka kakhulu ngayo because sayishala sometimes dlaleng nabo yabo. I don't know maybe right now I'm not being humble but kumele ngabe ngihumble awuthi ngibe humble but iCR Bezuldad team vele kwaziyo futhi ukudlala futhi yashaya Al Ahly last game they played against Al Ahly bawina 1-0 yabo bawina 1-0 khona beyishaya but iAl Ahly last time bedlale nayo yabashaya ngo6-1 yabo. Mhlambe nathi singakwazi ukusireplicate leso score lesa 6-1 because iCR Bezuldad idlala away ngaleyo game leyo yathi siyibuyisa idlala home yayishaya thina sayishaya ngePCR Bezuizdad sayishaya idlala home yabo mhlawumbe nathi sinawo ushance ukuthi siyishaye iCR Bezuizdad mase siyodlala nayo la eOrlando ngesonto yabo bathi ke akusenani bafethu siyodlala against iCR Bezuizdad ungangitshela iscore prediction iscore prediction lapho kuma comments ungitshela ukuthi kahle kahle ile game kumele sifike siwine ngasiphi score yabo ibabi futhi abadlali kumele baqale kule game ungangitshela ama comments ungakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe uVane Sports lo ngiyabonga ngothanda eninginika lona la ka YouTube yabo ngiyafuna ukuyigrowa le channel le but angikwazi ukuyigrowa le channel le uma abantu mebezobuka ama video bangasubscribe menifuna more videos regarding Orlando Pirates maybe neze PSL yabo ngawushaya subscribe lapho seyixoxela nje bafethu ufuna ngikhulume iclub yakho ungangibhalela lapho kuma comments ngingaxoxa iclub yakho ngindaba yabo engijwayele ukusiza ngeclub yakho sikhuluma bafethu sicobelelana ngolwazi yabo uma ufuna ungitshela something ungangifollow lapha TikTok ungibhalele ka inbox noma ungifollow ka Facebook ungibhalele ka inbox sikhulume ngalo udaba la ka YouTube yabo ngiyabonga isupport yenu bafethu eninginayo ungangitshela ama comments uthi game esizoyidlala ngomgqibelo abo esizoyidlala ngesonto njalo siyiwina ngasiphi score because mesiwina lapha siyakuma knockout stages and igame izo decide le game any group njalo izo decide le game esobe siyidlala against iAl Ahly. That's the game that will decide the group C njengoba si group C nje right now njengoba yenze nikhombisa CAF Champions League group C group C ngifuna nikhombisa group C yabo njengoba unobona group C ukanje njengoba unobona group C igame lapha kumele kudlala ama game awu6 ama team kumele adlale 6 games Orlando Pirates izodlala against iCR Bezuizdad if we win that game so bana ba 9 10 11 so bana 11 points mase siyodlala neAl Ahly let's say ya win against iStade Abidjan so bana 8 9 10 izobana 10 points so bese sidlala against each other on the last day of the game so bese siphambili with 1 point bazobe semuva kwethu yabo so thina mase win igroup so thola ama team alula kuma knockout stages I wouldn't say alula per se but ke now because uma ubheka la ku group A number 2 MCR uthi group B number 2 Mamelodi Sundowns I feel like Sundowns izoyiwina le group but ke asas kuthi la group C Al Ahly number 2 kuthi la group D iPyramids ngathanzima nje ama group ama team number 2 but ke akusenani iPyramids I so wish we face iPyramids because I feel like iPyramids iyona fixture engconywana kulama fixture lawo singawathola yabo noma iTP noma Young Africans njalo because I don't think iMCL izokwazi ukusurvive but ke akusenani ayikapheli phela Champions League bafuna ngangitshela ama comment uthi so wina siphi score yabo ngesonto ungakhohlwa subscribe uVane Sports lo ngiyabonga ngothando nesupport